going, but let's continue the discussion and the chart checks with Rajesh Palviya as well. He's joining us from Axis Securities to talk to us about the technicals of the market. Rajesh, hitting a bit of a rough patch around that 17,600, 700 range. Do you see do you see it likely that we'll head out of the range soon?
So good afternoon. Yeah, so there was some consolidation action since last 3-4 trading session, and looking at the data setup, we believe that 17,800 is likely to act as a major hurdle, because if we go with the next week data setup also, so most of the call put writers are aggressive at 17,000 strike, and the kind of open interest which we are seeing on the option side for 17,700 strike, so it clearly indicates that the range for coming week is almost 17,500 to 17,850. This could be the possible range for coming week. Looking at the overall setup, the buy on dip should be your strategy until Nifty not breaks below 17,500, because 17,500 is the important level for this monthly expiry also. So till we are holding above 17,500, we are holding our stance towards buy on dips, and on the higher side, on the breakout of 17,800, that could lead a short covering action in the market, and possibly Nifty can scale up further higher towards 18,000 mark also. So most of the large cap stocks are holding the ground, and we believe that bullishness is likely to continue further.
To continue, so having a positive outlook on the index. But Rajesh, a lot of stock specific actions, so tell us which are the stocks on your radar.
So first stock is Bata India. After a corrective move, now stock has formed a bottom, and if we analyze the weekly setup, almost 7-8 week consolidation range breakout is happened on the Bata India. And looking at the setup, we believe that this momentum is likely to continue further higher, as stock managed to give breakout of its falling channel on the weekly chart. So we believe that Bata India can be a stock where one can look at to buy. Upside target we are projecting around 1500 to 1510. One can keep stop loss of 1428. Another stock which we like, that is Cummins India. Stock is in uptrend on the long term chart also. After a mild corrective action, now stock again showing the buying interest, and looking at the daily setup, stock has taken the support almost at its 100-day moving average. So looking at the overall setup, we believe that Cummins India can continue further higher towards the upside target of 1600 to 1620. One can buy this stock with stop loss of 1535. Third stock which we like, that is CSB Bank. Stock has shown decent buying action, and now stock is approaching towards its previous swing high. And looking at daily as well as weekly setup, we believe that the kind of breakout we are witnessing on the daily weekly chart, we believe that this stock can scale up further higher towards 300 to 305. So CSB Bank is another stock one can buy with stop loss of 282.
Okay, thanks Rajesh for joining us with those stock recommendations as well as a view on the markets. But on that note, slipping into a very short break, don't go anywhere.